Welcome to our vegetarian cooking workshop entitled Nourish Serving Love One Day at a Time.
After we give the cooking demonstration, I think this is the first time na gagawin po na ito ng Nutrition and Dietetics Department. So once again, welcome po and thank you for coming. Before I proceed to my short lecture, can I ask po, why are you here? Bakit po kayo nandito? The health reform complained that it doesn't agree with them. But after sitting at their tables, I come to the conclusion that it is not the health reform that is at fault. When we say health reform, we are talking about what? Vegetarian diet or plant-based. I would say plant-based diet. Sometimes appeal to men and women to whom God has given intelligence, learn how to cook.
Tayo ng cabbage, depends on you, parang unang measurements kung gusto nyo, kung gano'ng kadami, if how many of in the house, ganyan po. Then after po yan, simple lang po daw, napaka-very easy, kahit sino po kaya gumagawa po. Kahit konti lang po, depende po sa inyo. Yung lemon. Pero mas prefer po like lemon. Kasi mas okay po sa akin. Pero sa inyo po, okay din po lang naman sila, okay din po na lemon. Kahit 1 tablespoon lang po ng lemon. Then mix nyo lang po siya.
Done.
Maglagay ng red chili. Optional lang po daw sa mga mahilig po. Yan, maganda po tayo. Pwede po sa inyo kung gano'n
wow.
Then mix lang po natin dun siya.
Which is the water of chickpea. Alam niyo po yun? So kapag binabad niyo po yung chickpea, meron po siyang tubig doon. Pag pinakuluan niyo, yung tubig po nun, we can use it to make mayo. Ayan. So minsan, di ba, we throw it. But here, we can use it to make mayo. Or if you don't have no sugar. So for the ingredients, we will use, for this time, we will use the aquafaba, the chickpea water, and then we have oil, and then we have vinegar, we have salt and pepper for to taste. Ayan. And we can also add Dijon mustard. So, yeah. You can use we can use a blender, we can use a hand mixer. Ayan. So for this time, we will be using blender, and we will put first the chickpea water.
Boiled chickpea lang.
Ayan. And then, for the oil, we will add it slowly lang. Slowly lang. Put a little oil lang muna. And then, tatakpan po natin. Then, i-blend po natin. So, nakita niyo po yung transition from this. Ayan, salt and pepper. So, it depends on you po. Pwede mo siya tikman-tikman. So, it depends on you talaga pagdating sa lasa. Ayan. But we can give you 1/8 tablespoon of salt and pepper. Pwede ilagay agad. Kasi ang nangyayari mo, matutito siya, magkahalo. So, maganda mo, konti-konti lang. Slowly lang po. Diba? Kasi our mayo should be sour. Ayan. So that's how to make vegan mayo. Ayan. With no egg.
Alam po natin yung ginger.
Steam. Oh.
Ito sa kukunin natin.
ginger is optional po. Depends on you po kung maglalagay po kayo ng ginger. Pero if maglalagay po kayo ng ginger, mas masarap, mas mabango. Okay. Yan, isayin lang po natin siya. Nalulubit lang po natin. Vegetarian sauce and salt and pepper to taste po.
Soy sauce.
We'll make vegetable broth first for the flavor of our soup. Extra tomatoes, onions, garlic, and even your onion and garlic peels, you can use it to flavor your vegetable, your homemade vegetable broth. We even have here the veggie stalks, other vegetables as well. So, if you want a spicy broth, you can add spices like sili, and you can also add salt and pepper to taste. But if you have mushroom powder as well, you can also use that, but a little amount so that it will still be healthy. And then he put soy sauce. After that, the vegetable oyster sauce. Yes. And then the mushroom powder. You also put the sugar. And then mix it. Basically, the sauce ingredients are just soy sauce, vegetarian oyster, sugar, salt, mushroom powder, and pepper. And also the cornstarch. Yes, for the sauce.
Sesame seed.
Finish.
Yay!
We can now put this in our plate. Because if you have the ingredients, you can cook it in your home. So I hope that this recipe could help you in your home and so that you could promote more healthier options of our food. Guys, what the ingredients? So it's very simple. And you lang po yung ingredients. An apple. So this one po, one pineapple. This one is one pineapple na po. So, and next one po, we have mint. Mint and ginger. So, konti lang po yung ginger natin since baka mag-overpower yung ating drink. So, and also chia seeds. And lastly po, the coconut water. So, this drink po is no sugar added. And it's very simple lang po. So, we will put all the ingredients aside from chia seeds. We will put all the ingredients into the blender. Pineapple blender. So, it's a great source po of vitamin C and fiber and minerals and antioxidants. Mint and ginger. For our aroma. Yes. And lastly po, the coconut water. So, it's a good source po of hydration. Of the pineapple and the mint and ginger as well. So, we will strain it po so we can get all the juices po dito.
Phytochemicals, antioxidants. But the downside of juicing is mababa po siya sa fiber. Why? Because you're stirring it, you're separating. Kaya advisable po pag nag-juicing po kayo or 4 months, hindi po siya palagi. Kasi it's not, wala po siyang fiber. So pag nag-juice po kayo, you have to drink a lot of water or else magiging constipated po.
Put chia seeds po in our glass na po. So make sure lang po that our chia seeds is already soaked with water. So after that, we will put na po. So this drink po is good for tuna po ito. So here's our drink na po. Our chia tropic mint drink po. It's very simple and very easy. You can make it po at home and available naman po all of the ingredients in our local market. So thank you so much po.
So first, the base is the cucumbers. So we will just put all the ingredients in the blender. So we're just gonna mix it together. So you will put the, first of all, I'm Joshua De La Roca and he is Clark Famarin. And also, and next we will put celery. It depends on you if you can tolerate the smell and the taste of the celery, then you can add more. But if you cannot tolerate it, then you can put less of it. And then we add the coconut water. So this juice is so powerful and gives hydration to the body because it has a vitamin C, A and K for the celery. And for the coconut water, it has PCM. Always remember the PCM, which is potassium, calcium, and magnesium. It's good for our heart. And also it has electrolytes that gives good flow and heartbeat of our heart. Just like electric fan. Electric fan needs electricity. So also our heart needs electrolytes to pump it well. And so it's gonna blend it now. So it gives good for our digestion. It has fiber. Helps to lower cholesterol. Fibers help lower cholesterol in our body.
After a short lecture and cooking demonstration, now is our time to shine. Now we've seen the basics, learned the techniques, and discovered the benefits of healthy plant-based cooking. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action. This is our moment to chop, chop, chop. Season, cook with intention, and serve with love. It's cooking time!
So si Kali magluluto ng paldo sandwich. Tapos na namin ang hand pan. Kali luto niyan. Tatay magluluto ng orange honey tofu. Tapos si Kuya naman nagagawa siya ng juice. Buwasin natin ng sauce para sa hot pot. Tama ba? ginger, orange tofu. And pa, the salad is done.
Remember, cooking is not about perfection. It's about nourishment,
Hello. Ayan, as a participant in the cooking workshop with the team, nourish, serving love, enthusiasm, commitment, and willingness to learn contributed greatly to the success of the program and reflected a shared dedication of promoting health, service, and holistic well-being. Given this 15th day of February 2026 at the Nutrition and Dietetics Department at Venice University of the Philippines, Kahoy sila Cavite. Signed by Ferdinand Ian, PIC Health Ministry Director, and Michelle Oasa, Nutrition and Dietetics Department Chair. Diana,
Okay, thank you po.
Athena, Kali, Ordiana,
Yay!
Ordiana Jr.,
Yay!
John Michael D. Escobedo,
Yay!
it's about preparing food that strengthens the body and warms the heart. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today.